Hi guys, if you're having any one of these 4 symptoms or all of them on your Honda car, I'm going to show you how to quickly troubleshoot and fix this in no time. 1. Remote start does not work. 2. Answer back doesn't work. 3. When you unlock your car, the turn signals light up, but when you lock the car, the lights don't flash even though the car locks. And lastly, the anti-theft or security indicator on the dash doesn't blink even when the car is fully locked. I'll go beyond fixing this via settings to actual faults in the car that can give you these symptoms. Now let's get this. Any one or a combination of these symptoms that I've talked about can happen in various trims and models of Honda vehicles, especially from 2016 when Honda implemented remote start in a number of their offerings. First of all, if your problem is any combination or one of these symptoms but doesn't involve the anti-theft indicator not blinking, it's likely a settings issue, and I'll show you how to correct this in a minute. It could also be that one of the doors or any of the latches in the vehicle is not properly closed. What I really want to address in this video is the scenario where all of these do not work. To get started, the first thing you should do is to ensure that all doors, hood, trunk, latches are properly closed. Next, check your vehicle settings to ensure that remote start, answer back, and lighting when the door locks are all turned on. I've done all of these and I'll now demonstrate. When I unlock, the light comes on, but when I lock it, you heard that it locked, but there's no light. The answer back doesn't work. Neither is the security light coming on the dash. Ideally, remote start. So you lock the car and then you hold this hold button. By now it should start, right? But it doesn't. If you're having these 4 symptoms combined, the major thing that would usually give this problem is when the switch for the hood or trunk latch is broken, or when there's a poor contact issue in those switches. For the trunk latch is easy to tell because you're going to have the trunk light like so, even though the trunk is shut. Right now my money is on the latch for the hood. This car was involved in a front collision before I got it. I'm just going to get to the hood latch and let's see what's there. We'll start by removing these clips. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this comes out. In a bit, to gain a bit more room, we'll also remove this clip here and also free up this clip for the chrome piece on the left side as well as on the right side. So that's the latch there, but there's this plastic piece that is covering the switch for the latch. So we'll just remove these 2 push pins, 1 and 2. You can just about see the switch, and already it's moving way too much to be normal, so I'll just take that out. I'll show you how to quickly confirm whether the problem you have is from this switch. It has a tab, you just depress it and it comes out. We're going to bridge this connection. Those 2 holes, that's where we're going to bridge. I'm just going to use a piece of wire. It's fine to also use a paper clip. That side is in, second side is in as well. Looks crude, but it should work. So that's that. So right now, because I've bridged the connection, the car is seeing it as the hood being locked. So unlock works, and the lock works as well. And then the answer back works. If I try to remote start, it's going to work now. First of all, lock it and then hold this. It gives you the, and then it starts by itself. And we'll just turn the car off. So just to add that, if you remove the bridge in the locked position, the alarm is going to go off. Let's just unlock the car. Off. So I've already gone ahead and got a new hood latch, got it used, but here the switch is, this is rock solid, it's good. I'm just going to quickly replace this. The latch is held by 3 size 10 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and we just get them. To remove this cable, push this out. This other piece can easily come out. Just trying to give you a good view. So that's the ball, and you can see it goes under there, over this, and it comes out. This part is even broken. I guess that was from the accident, and that's the switch itself. We'll just replace this. So to fit the new one, the wire goes under there, locks in that groove, and then you push down. Once that fits, one thing you should take note of while fitting this is that the height is adjustable. If it goes too low, you're going to have problems locking the hood. You're going to need to press so hard, but it's something you play with, nothing too difficult. If your switch isn't broken, one other thing you could do is to clean the switch, because sometimes when dirt gets in there, you know, it messes up the connection. You just spray some cleaner here and walk the switch a bit, push it down a couple times. That usually helps. Cap cleaner won't do. You're only going to use something like MAF sensor cleaner, something that doesn't degrade plastic or rubber. To refit the connector, refit the trim. Just to confirm, unlock works, and so does the lock, and so does the answer back. And now, if I lock the car, the anti-theft or security light now works. So that's how you troubleshoot and fix this on Hondas with this problem. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Peace. Also, the panic button doesn't work, so you can't arm the alarm. Okay, that works.